Now this right here is a screenshot of how much money I made on Sunday just relaxing at home, chilling, and playing a little bit of video games. So the way that you can earn money like this while you're stuck at home is just learn. Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a few different websites that you can use to make money online. So if you're somebody who's currently out of work because of the current situation that's going on right now, then this video is going to help you out. Now, before I share these websites with you, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. My name is Benjamin, and if you guys are interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so if you want to learn how I was able to make over $100 on a Sunday while I'm just relaxing at home, you're going to want to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to get into that later on. But let me just first talk about this website. Now this website is called Fiverr, and this is a pretty popular website for people who need services done for them or people that can actually make money by providing services for other people. So this is basically a freelancing service. Now, like I just mentioned, you can get paid by providing services to people who are actually requesting and willing to pay you for those type of services. Now these services can range from anywhere between graphic and design, digital marketing, video animation, music and audio, and there's a whole bunch of other different categories. Now there's also a bunch of different subcategories. So if you have a specific skill, then more than likely you're going to be able to provide this on the Fiverr platform. So I recommend you just go to Fiverr.com and just look at the different subcategories that they have available and see if you have a skill that you can actually provide and start earning an income from. Now it's pretty easy to sign up. All you have to do is just create a profile and then you're going to set up your gig. So basically this is going to be the skill that you're going to be providing to anybody who's asking or requesting your service. And you're also going to get notified when you get somebody requesting your service. Now what you're going to do is you're going to just use the Fiverr platform and just message the customer back and forth just to work out the details of whatever particular service that you're going to be providing. Then once you provide that service, you're going to get paid. So it's pretty straightforward. Now there might be a lot of people out there that might have the excuse saying, I don't know any skills that I can provide and start making money from. I mean, if you're stuck at home, you have a lot of free time on your hands right now. So all you have to do is just go to YouTube, just learn how to do any particular skill that you're willing to learn. Once you learn how to do that skill, just practice it a few times until you're good enough to provide it as a service that you can actually use to get paid for. I mean, basically there's no excuse why you can't learn something new, especially right now, because we're all stuck at home, or the majority of people are. I mean, you have no excuse not to learn something new. I mean, if you think about it, there's a lot of things that people need that they don't know how to do themselves, or they're just too busy to take the time out to do it for themselves. So this is where you can come in and make money just providing your service. So that's basically the first website, just providing your services and getting paid in exchange for them. Now before I talk about the next website, I just want to say if you guys are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to give it a like and also leave me a comment down below to get some feedback from you guys. Okay, so the first website that I just talked about right now, Fiverr.com, that's a great way to earn an active income. So this is what the majority of people are used to making. Basically, they're trading their time for money. And that's what you would be doing if you choose to go with Fiverr.com, because you're going to be providing a service, and then once that service is provided, then you're going to get paid in exchange for them. But this next website that I'm going to be talking about is an actual way to make a passive income. Now, I'm pretty sure most people have seen watermarks over images before whenever they went to Google and they just typed up a certain image that they were looking for. Now you might be wondering, why are there watermarks over these pictures? Well, basically, if you want to use those pictures without the watermarks, you would have to pay for the rights to use that photo. And this is how you can actually make money, by uploading and selling the rights for people to use your stock images. So a great website where you can do this is called Shutterstock. So basically the way it works is first you have to sign up to become a contributor, and then you upload high quality images onto that platform. And whenever somebody wants to use your image for their own website or blog or landing page or whatever the case may be, they have to buy the rights in order to use your image. Now you might be thinking, like, I don't have access to a fancy camera, I'm not really experienced with photography. I mean, the truth of the matter is, you don't really need a fancy DSLR camera nowadays. A lot of people are taking high quality images with the camera phones that they have on their newest smartphones nowadays. So if you're somebody who likes taking pictures, then this might be a great option for you to go with. But the cool thing about Shutterstock is that it's not only limited to selling stock images. You can also sell the rights for people to buy your stock footage, stock music, and even vector art. So if you can create any of this type of content, then Shutterstock might be a good option for you to go with if you're somebody who's creative. Now, I know that I mentioned that Shutterstock is a great way to earn a passive income, and it is, so let me just give you a little bit more details about how that would work. So let's say, for example, that you took an image and it was a high quality image and you uploaded it onto Shutterstock's platform. Now, if somebody were to buy the rights to use that photo, then you're gonna get paid. Now, if 10 people buy the rights to use that same photo, then you're gonna get paid even more money. So if you think about it, you can sell the rights to one stock image over and over again. And it's just gonna be up there for anybody who wants to use it, and they just have to pay for the rights to use that particular image. So this is how you can earn a passive income, by pretty much selling the same thing over and over again. Since it's not a physical product, I mean, you don't have to worry about recreating it. It's just like a digital download. Okay, so if you guys stuck around long enough to this part of the video, I appreciate you guys. Now I'm gonna show you how I was able to make over $100 on a Sunday from this website right here called ClickBank. Now this is a pretty popular website with people who use affiliate marketing to make money online. So if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, basically it's where you're promoting somebody else's product online. So you're gonna be given a specific link, and that's gonna be your affiliate link. So if somebody were to click on your affiliate link and they buy whatever product that you're promoting, then you're gonna earn a commission from that. Now, affiliate marketing is another way that you can earn a passive income. That's why I was able to earn over $100 while I was just chilling at home. So let me show you the specific product that I was promoting to give you guys a better idea. Alright you guys, so this is the product that I'm promoting specifically that's earning me commissions. So it's gonna be this product right here called Easy Battery Reconditioning. So if you're wondering how to get to this spot right here, all you have to do is just come to clickbank.com, and this is what it's gonna look like when you type in the website. So this is basically the homepage. Now you can just create an account for free, and once you do that, you can start promoting products as an affiliate. But if you want to see the products that they have on their platform before you create an account, all you have to do is just come right here where it says affiliate marketplace, and then they're gonna show you all the categories that they have available. So let me just go back to the product that I was showing you guys. So this is the product right here. So when you click on this link right here, it's gonna take you to the sales page. So this is what customers are gonna see when they come to this page. So this is basically the sales page. They're gonna watch a video, and if they're interested in learning more, they're gonna just click on the button that's gonna take them to the checkout page. So basically this product right here shows people how to bring old batteries back to life. So eventually it can save them money in the long run by just reusing old batteries that they have by reconditioning them. So I mean, this product is great for people who are into DIY, people who are into like living off the grid, mechanics, people who are into automobiles. Now the cool thing about all of these vendors on ClickBank is that they have their own affiliates resource page. So if you look right here, this link right here is gonna take you to their affiliate resource page. So basically they tell you everything that you need to know about the product and what you can earn as an affiliate. So they pay 75% in commissions, and you can earn up to $148 per sale. So think about that. If you get one person to buy the front end product and they buy the upsells along with that, then you can earn up to $148 off of one customer. So if you look at the stats right here, it says 55% take the upsell. So what that means is that more than half the people who buy the front end product, they end up taking the upsell that goes along with this product. And it shows that the refunds are below 2% because this is a great product. And they just reiterated right here, you're gonna make 75% of the commissions for all their products. Now, if you want to get access to the affiliates resource page, you're going to have to enter in your email, but I already did that. So let me just take you to that resource page right here. So basically, they give you everything that you need in order to make sales with their product. They give you email swipes, they give you banners, landing pages, Facebook ad kits. They even give you the demographics. So all you have to do is just click on any of these and it's going to take you to that certain area. So demographics, it shows right here, 65 and older are converting extremely well right now. So basically, people who are aged between 45 and 65 and up are the target demographic for this specific product. So all you have to do is just go through the resource page, and look, they even break down who is buying this product the most. So it shows that males are buying this product way more than women. It shows what countries have the most total sales, and it shows the highest converting countries. So Australia, Norway, New Zealand, USA, Sweden. So all of this is useful information in order to promote this product. So it also shows that desktops are converting better than mobile and tablet devices. So it even tells you where the sales come in from. So people who are on Google Chrome convert more than people who are using any other internet service. So all you have to do whenever picking a product is you just have to use their affiliate resource page to maximize or increase your chances of making a sale. So they even tell you the interest targeting. So like I mentioned, people who are into mechanics, people who are into car repair, off-grid energy, DIY projects, auto parts, survival, preppers, people who are into woodworking, environmental, green. I mean, they basically do most of the work for you. All you have to do is just promote this product. So if you want to get some content to promote this product, you can just go right here where it says email swipes, and they're going to give you email swipes. You're just going to click that link and you're going to download them, and it gives you 5 emails. So if somebody enters in their email onto your landing page and they don't buy the product, you can just follow up with them through a series of emails. So this increases your chances of making a sale with this product. But let me just go over back to ClickBank to show you guys like in another example. So let's say, you can just do this with any product that is on this platform. Let's say that you're somebody who's into health and fitness. So maybe DIY is not your fitness or it's not your niche. Whatever niche that you're interested in or you're passionate about, just focus on a product that's based on that niche. And more than likely, you'll find a product that's related to that niche and you can promote that as an affiliate if it's on ClickBank. So another thing that I wanted to show you guys when you're coming to ClickBank to look for products, you're going to want to sort by gravity. So what gravity is it's basically just letting you know how popular that product is selling. So obviously the higher the number, the more people are buying that product. So as you can see, this particular product right here has a gravity of 544, and that's really, really high. Anything above 20 has a good chance of selling. So right here, 544, that's ridiculously high. So that's obviously a good product to promote. So if you're in health and fitness, you can just look at this product right here, Lepitox. And apparently it's just a video right here, and it's a weight loss supplement. So for $59, people can buy 1 bottle and they can choose to take the upsells. So if they buy 6 bottles, they're paying $39 per bottle. Or if they get 3 bottles, they're gonna pay $49 per bottle. So let's look at the stats when it comes to this product right here. So as I mentioned, the gravity is 544 and the average sale amount is $69. So as an affiliate, you would be earning 48% of that. So it's about roughly half of $69, but that's pretty good. So all you have to do is just come to their affiliates resource page. I'm pretty sure they're going to want you to enter in your email. Yeah, see, you're going to have to enter in your email in order to get access to their affiliate tools. And then it says right here, great converting sales video, low refunds, high customer satisfaction, and it's an actual physical product. Now, when you're picking a product to promote on ClickBank, in order to get your affiliate link, all you're going to have to do is just simply click on promote. So it's going to generate a new window for you, and you're going to enter in your account information or your account nickname. This is what you get when you create your account on ClickBank. You're going to enter that in, and it's going to say, you just click the button where it says generate hop link, and it's going to generate a hop link for you, and that's going to be your affiliate link. So this link is what you're going to paste into, let's say, your sales page or your landing page. If you have a blog, you can just write an article based on whatever product you're focusing on or you're promoting, and just insert that affiliate link in your blog that's going to direct people to the sales page of that particular product. So if you're thinking about getting started with affiliate marketing, what I recommend is not just going out and spamming your affiliate link for the product that you're promoting, but what you're going to want to do is actually create content and deliver value. So let me give you an example of what I'm talking about. So for this particular product right here, Easy Battery Reconditioning, what I did is I actually created a Facebook fan page that's based around DIY, life hacks, people who are living off the grid. So those people would be interested in reconditioning old batteries and bringing them back to life. So this is the Facebook fan page that I created, and it's called DIY Supply. So it's based on, like I mentioned, people who are into do-it-yourself, people who are into living off the grid. So this is actually a sales video from this particular product. So if people see this, they're interested in it, they click on this link, that's going to be my affiliate link. And I just have content that I'm constantly just posting on this page right here, just to give people little tips, little life hacks, little DIY solutions. So I'm actually delivering value when I'm doing this. So when you do this, you're actually giving people, like, you're building an audience, and they're more likely to buy the product that you're promoting to them. Now, you don't have to necessarily create a Facebook fan page. You can create like a blog, or you have your own website maybe. You can just create content, and you can just deliver value by just uploading blog articles and then giving a call to action and then promoting your affiliate product. Now, like I mentioned, you don't have to create a Facebook fan page. Another way that you can promote affiliate products is on your YouTube channel. So if you're somebody who has a YouTube channel, if you're passionate about, let's say, health and fitness, you can just be creating videos that are focusing on that niche, and you can just do a review about a specific product that's related to health and fitness. Then what you're going to want to do is give a call to action at the end of your video. So you can just let people know the pros and cons about whatever product that you're promoting, and just simply let them know, hey, if you're interested in getting this product for yourself, there's going to be a link in the description of this video so you guys can buy it for yourself. Now, I just want to let you guys know, when it comes to affiliate marketing, you guys don't have to be super geniuses in order to start making money online. All you have to do is just be willing to learn, apply what you learn, and just learn from your failures. So I'm going to just show you this screenshot right here. This is basically, I started running ads on Facebook for this particular product on April 11th, and I got 2 sales on the 12th, another 2 sales on the 13th, and then as of the recording of this video, today's April 14th. I mean, I haven't gotten any sales yet, but just like any other business, I mean, there's ups and downs. So that's something that you guys have to keep in mind. So that's basically it. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days since I just showed you how much money I made on the 14th, but I just want to show you what I actually made on April 15th as well. So as you can see, I made $237.61, and that's basically while I was just doing my regular stuff. I mean, I wasn't really paying too much attention to what was going on right here. I just came to the back office of my ClickBank account, and I noticed that I had a commission sale of $237. So the reason why I'm showing you guys this is just to give you the idea of what kind of potential that you can earn when it comes to making money using affiliate marketing. Now, if you guys are interested in getting started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, I'm gonna leave a link in the description of this video right here to a 15-day business builder challenge. So basically, over the course of 15 days, you're gonna just learn how to start and grow your own online business. You're gonna learn how to create a high ticket and high profit business online. And I mean, you're gonna just have guidance from professionals who have been in this industry for 10 plus years. So if you're somebody who doesn't want to rely on the government in times of crisis like this, I mean, I highly recommend checking out this 15-day business builder challenge. And you can get started with this for only $7. I mean, if you think about it, that's probably about the same or a little bit less than what you spend on a cup of coffee. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and hopefully you guys got some value from it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.